Open the Auto Symbol Label command from the Tools menu. Click on the Symbol Selection drop-down menu and select the option of your choice. This setting works in conjunction with the category filter to determine which symbols will be labeled on the design screen. The All Drawing Symbols option will label all of the symbols on the drawing that are within the selected categories. The Selected Symbols option will label only the symbols that have been selected on the design screen that are also within the selected categories. You can select the symbols by clicking on them with the left mouse button while holding down the Shift key, or you can drag a window around the objects to select. To drag a window, then hold down the left mouse button. Drag the mouse to create a window around the objects and release the left mouse button. To label all of the selected sprinklers, click on Sprinklers in the categories listing. Adjust the label offset, angle, and font settings, and click on the Place Symbol Labels button. The labels are individual text entities. You can select any label and reposition it on the design screen. Simply click on a label and press M to enact the Move command, or click on the handle to move the label to a new location. All labels are drawn on the Symbol Labels layer. To remove all of the labels from the design screen, in the Layer Manager, click to the left of the Symbol Labels layer to make it the current drawing layer. Click on the Delete Layer button to remove the labels from the design. You can also use the Layer Manager to select symbols. For example, suppose you want to label all turf spray nozzles. In the Layer Manager, click to the left of the Sprinkler Turf Sprays layer to make it the current drawing layer. Click on the Select Layer button to select all turf spray symbols on the design screen. You can now label all of the symbols. You can then use the Layer Manager to select another category of symbols and continue with the labeling process. The label offset sets the desired number of units to place the labels in relationship to the associated symbol. The offset is based on the insertion point of the symbol. An offset of 0 will place the label inside of a symbol. You can set the color for the labels by adjusting the color assignment for the Symbol Labels layer in the Layer Manager.